Hey guys, today we're going to be doing an imaged HTML web development tutorial. Today we are going to, like I said, be going over images. And first off, we're going to make our image file, right? So we just make it our image.html, and we want to make sure we have an image in our folder. It has to be in the same folder, like web dev tutorials. It has to be in the same folder as our, file. So we're gonna make our beginning part, like I showed you guys in our last video. For doc type and then HTML, head, title. Spelled title wrong. Title, and I'm just gonna title it image. I'm just gonna title it image and tutorial. And then we're going to want to make our body tab. And for fun, I'm just going to add a background color of blue. Alright, here is the first step. So now that we have all this, we are now able to edit where our image is. And how you do that is we're going to have to make a tag, just like everything else in HTML. And our tag is going to be IMG, and then we're going to have source. So source is src, and then it'll go like that. And what your source is your image file name. So codingtricks.png. And if we just leave it at that, we don't have to close the tab because an image is just one item and there's nothing else that can be contained in that item. And so if we just save, run, see, we have our image. So it opened up. That's our image that I have. And so let's say we want to change the size. Well, you can easily do that by just adding the width and height attributes. So let's make it 600 by 600. So save, run. See, it changed it, and it did compact it because, well, that's what happens if you change the image size. But there's another way we can do this. We can add what is called styling. Now this is through CSS, which is the code we use when we style things. It means cascading styling, and so we're just going to type in style because it's integrated already into HTML, and then we can just go height, and let's make our height be 600 pixels, or you can do 10%, which will adjust to anybody's monitor size, whether they have 4K, 1080p, 720p, any of that. So I'm just gonna make it be 600 pixels, and then we can do our width, and I'm just gonna do auto. Just like that. Save, run. See, it changed how it all is. Because now it definitely covers more of the screen. And we can make it be so that it takes up the entire screen. So we can go 100% and 100%, and we can run. See, and it just does it as auto. So that's how you do that. And there's many things you can add with this, like we can add let's see, we can add border, and let's just make it be 3 point, and then we can add a border color, and border color. And ooh, aqua looks cool. Save, run. Now there is a border there, but you can't see it because of how small that border is. But you can change however you want that to be. Like there's many websites that can teach you this. Like if you go to w3schools.com, they can really help you with our tutorials. And once we end up getting the CSS, which is the code that we'd be using, we would be able to teach you how to do all this with our CSS tutorials. Right now we're in HTML, but we will get to CSS soon. So you have all that, and that's nice. And with the W3 schools, you can learn many new things. But that's just our simple tutorial of how to make an image in HTML. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to subscribe, comment, share, follow, or all that. We are on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all that kind of stuff, Reddit even now. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.